presentation of what Africans are known for. In Africa, you cannot welcome your guests without Kola nut. At this time, I am going to call again on the MC. I'm going to hand him over the Kola nut. Whatever he does with it, I'm not responsible for that.
We have a tradition, and by right, I'm the next brother of the host of this event that is here. But I'm not the eldest of all that is here. Please, I have this Kola nut as presented, and the mark of Kola nut in Igbo land is you are welcome to this occasion. Come on, give me some hands, Ben. Yes, I love that. I love that. Thank you. Thank you. As High Chief, I will call upon the elders here. I don't know you by looking at you facially, but I will appreciate if you are a chief or Eze. You come up and we will bless this Kola nut before partaking in it. Right? I'm asking some elders, please help me out, who are here. Some traditional members of the society come up here and we do the normal thing we're supposed to do. Any other chief? Eze, please, according to our tradition, we very much know that Kola nut does not understand English. And therefore, I'm going to beckon on one of us here to help us bless this Kola nut.
It looks like the MC cannot give me a break. Now he handed the Kola nut over to me again. In this area, I think I'm very knowledgeable. This Kola nut will not end up in my hands. As we stand here, I am going to recognize the presence of one of us who I personally refer to him as the elder statesman, Dr. Frank Watson. He's the oldest among us here. Traditionally, I have no choice to hand this over to him. Thank you, sir.
Ndibai Pano! Ndibai Bueno!
Yeah.
What's Bueno?
Yeah.
The Kola nut is a powerful nut. Very powerful. It is also a symbol of unity. This Kola nut is in my hand. What I'm going to do is I'm going to release it to the chief. Although I am regarded as the elder statesman, we we have a tradition to maintain. So I will be passing it on to Chief Dr. Uzochukwu, and let him decide what we do with this colony. Chief Uzochukwu.
Well, greetings to everybody. Good evening. He who brings Kola brings life. Isn't that right? Yes. Ajona so it goes. Okay. Supunanga. Ajaga na je wo to eka. Iwo ro le kete mi.
Thank you, Dr. Igbo friend? Yeah. Friend? Yeah. Person? Yeah. Nigeria friend? Yeah. No. In Igbo language, or means in law. At this point in time, this scholar has been moving around. You are the center of this gathering. You are the center of this gathering. You made a long trip seeking the hand of one of our precious gods. So please, this scholar now I present it to you. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, we are trying not to disturb. This is very, very important in our culture. At this juncture,
you've heard that Kola North does not speak nor hear English. So we are going to place this Kola North in our native language, Igbo. And when I pronounce the blessing, please affirm it by saying, he said, Chukunna Yuneligwe Anyekene. Obakoba Numa Aimutata, Aina Yogi Ginonyalani. Kani Mulia, Liefe Tegu, fellowship together. Naga Moma, Bigo. Gozie ndị ọbịa anyị bịara ọnụ ndị esi wee bịa gozie fa gozie agbamakwụkwọ a anyị na-abanye na ya gozie ya mee ka ife niile gaa ọfụma biko nye anyị ndụ nye anyị ego nye anyị amamife nye anyị nghọta nye anyị ụsọ na ife niile dị mma dị n'iche n'iche anyị na-ayọ ise na Kraịst nwere anyị. Amen.
This will be done by the father of the lovely bride, Dr. Herbert Nwankwo. And now give him the mic to address our visitors. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Please give him a hand.
Igbo kwenu! Igbo kwenu! Igbo kwenu! Kwenu kwenu! Omo wayo, oli. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my role now as the host father
to welcome everybody that is here today, that respected and accepted our invitation. And particularly, our in-laws, who turned out in a very good number, more than we expected. I say welcome to them. Those of you who came from Nigeria and Alaska, can you stand up, please, so that we can give you a special welcome? If you came from Nigeria, you are very, very welcome. And guess what? They are allowed to have before some of us from Greensboro. So we welcome you, and please consider this your home, at least for this weekend. And if you are hungry or want something to drink, this chief here is responsible. Or you can capture the guy in Yoruba hat over there. So whatever you want, if you want to drink, just go to the bar or ask them to bring the bar to you. I believe there's enough drink there. So we are here today. In our culture, this is a very significant day for not only my family, but also the family of the group. Because in our tradition, marriage is not something you just do. It takes what? Time and the process. It begins, some of them, the process takes what? 4 years. And when you are able to come together like this, it means you have come to the end of that what? Process. So this is the day that the group will tell you, do or die, he must go home with his wife. Why? And it is the day that the bride's family or village will say, do or die, we must get everything you have. Your pocket must empty today before we honor your request. So it's a tradition. And we cannot run away from our culture. Your culture is what you do, how you live. Wherever you go with your what? Culture. That's why it is culture, and we call it tradition because you are now used to doing it. So I again